Tiger. Tiger is the king of jungle. Option B is the right answer. Question number 2.
Excellent, Devanshu. Tell me this one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, option D. No, ma'am, no, ma'am. Ma'am, option B.
Let's check.
Find the correct mirror image of the given figure. So in mirror image, we have to follow 3 points. The first one is left side of the object or image or shape. The left side of the object or image becomes right side, and the same way right side of the object or shape or image becomes left side. Right. Then important thing is top and bottom of the image. Top and bottom of the image remains same. We have to follow the 3 key points. So, these key points will apply for this image and the letters which is written in the given image also. So by observing these points, finally your answer would be yes, it's option B is the right answer.
Excellent, Devanshu. It's correct. Tell me this one, Devanshu.
Yes, ma'am. There is white side. But from the upside. Ma'am, option D. Ma'am?
Option D, this one. Let's check.
Yes, ma'am. People talk.
Question number 3. Select your figure from the options which when placed in the blank space of the given figure would complete the pattern. So just analyze the given figure, right? And also the option. So the option D will complete the given figure pattern. So hence option D is the right answer for this question. Question number 4.
Very good. Excellent, Beta. Tell me this one, Devanshu.
Yes, ma'am. Which of the following plums are fourth and the eighth from the left? The given arrangement. Following plums in fourth. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ma'am, this question I cannot understand.
It's saying which of the following plums is fourth to the left of the eighth plum from the left end in the given arrangement. See, this is the left end. So which of the following plum is fourth to the left of eighth plum?
Ma'am, option C. Ma'am, option C.
See, let's check.
Therefore, which of the following plums is fourth to the left of eighth plum from the left end in the given arrangement? So in this question, you have to read the question from the last part. So left end in the arrangement. So this is left side. Then eighth plum from the left end. So which is eighth plum? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the eighth plum from the left end. Again, fourth to the left of eighth plum. So this is eighth plum. This is left side of plum and this is the right side of plum. So the question is fourth to the left of eighth plum. Fourth means again 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the fourth to the left of eighth plum from the left end. So your answer is it's option C, W.
Very good. Excellent, Devanshu. Tell me number 5, Devanshu.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, option C.
Let's see.
Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're going to take a look at how quickly and easily you can transfer both motion and carry.
Ma'am, option C for cat.
Option C. Excellent. Very good. Let's check.
Figure is symmetrical along the dotted line. Just analyze each figure. They have drawn a dotted line in each figure. So when they are said to be a symmetrical line, yes, a line are said to be a symmetry means a line would cut the shape into two halves. Then only it's said to be a symmetrical line. So when you fold along the line, that both the half would match exactly. For example, this line is dividing the picture into two parts, right? When these two parts are folded along this dotted line, these two figures would match exactly. So in option C only, if you fold the figure along the line, these two halves would match exactly, right? So hence option C is the right answer.
Excellent, Devanshu. Now tell me this one. Devanshu, tell me number 6. Devanshu, are you there? Unmute yourself and tell me number 6, beta.
Ma'am, option B.
Air rises up on getting warm. This one.
Yes, ma'am.
The next section is science. Question number 6. The given activity shows that. In the first figure, you can see candle is burning here. So in the second figure, they have placed an inverted glass jar. So in the third figure, you can see the flame goes off. So why the flame goes off? Yes. So when you're placing an inverted glass jar, right? So at the time the candle is with the full of oxygen. So after some time there will be some lack of oxygen. So when there is no air or when there is no oxygen, what will happen? The burning will stop. That means the flames goes off. So from this activity, you can understand that air or oxygen is needed for burning.
Is it clear, beta?
Yes, no, ma'am.
It's not clear. See, air is needed for burning. So whenever there is a vessel that is actually not allowing the air to go inside, then what happened? The candle is not burning anymore. It stops burning. So what happened? From this point, we can prove that air is needed for burning. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Hence option C is the right answer. Question number 7.
Okay, tell me this one, beta.
The above figures show the force equals move a 100 gram jet over different jet direction greatest of 20, 50, 56. A redstone is greatest. Ma'am, option ma'am A.
Okay, let's see.
The above figures shows the force required to move a 100-gram object over different surfaces W, X, Y, and Z. The friction is a greatest term. So in surface W, the force applied is 60. In surface X, it is applied 50. And in surface Y, it has applied 30. And here 20. So we all know more the force and greatest friction, right? So where the greatest friction is produced, there you need more force required to move the object on the particular surface. Here, in surface W, they have applied 60 force. So
Are you a student who learns from YouTube videos or attends online classes? Video no.
W would be the greatest surface, greatest friction producing surface. Hence, option A, surface W, is the right answer for this question. Question number 8.
Have you understood the last question, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Tell me this one.
Ma'am, 8 and 9.
Tell me 8.
Yes, ma'am. Which of the following process consume heat? Melting, boiling, uh, condensation and ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, condensation meaning
Condensation means, for example, if the water gets transformed into ice, then we call it freezing. If the water gets transformed into vapors, we call it evaporation. If the water starts boiling or Yes, if we put the water on the gas and it starts boiling, then we call it boiling. And melting means when the ice is converted into water, then it is called melting. When water gets collected as droplets on a cold surface, when humid air is in contact with it, then we call it condensation. Is it clear, beta? Is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
It is a process by which the water vapor of the air get transformed into water droplets.
Ma'am, option D.
Option D. Let's see.
Which of the following processes consume heat? Condensation, evaporation, freezing, melting, and boiling. So in evaporation, melting, and boiling, these processes will consume heat. Hence option 2, 4, 5. Option C is the right answer for this question.
How can it be 3? Better 3 is freezing. Freezing means, for example, if you put the water in a refrigerator or in a fridge, then the freezing will occur. That is, water will get transformed into ice. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be 2 big. To make the evaporation, you need to boil the water. Then it will be 4 for example, if it is ice, then you need to boil it to, or you need to heat it so that it melts. And the last is boiling. Boiling means when you start the gas or when you boil the water, then it is called boiling. Now tell me the last one, beta.
Ma'am, option MB.
Question number 9. Which of the following phases of moon is observed when moon comes in between the sun and the earth? So the new moon phase will occur when the moon comes in between the sun and the earth. Hence option D is the right answer for this question.
Ma'am,
This is new moon.
Yes, tell me, beta.
ma'am,
Yes.
I can answer change.
Yes, tell me again.
Ma'am, I answer change.
You want to change your answer? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, option D.
Very good. Excellent.
And this is full moon. And this is crescent. This is half moon. Right. So option D is the right answer. Question number 10.
Yes, tell me, beta.
Refer to the given figure of a human system. What will be care of the part as X is removed? Ma'am, option C.
Let's check.
Refer to the given figure of human digestive system. What will be the outcome if the part labeled as X is removed? So now look onto the figure. The X represents the small intestine. Right. So what is the purpose of small intestine? So the purpose of small intestine is it's absorbing the nutrients into the blood, right? absorption of nutrients into the blood. So if you remove the small intestine, what will happen? Absorption of nutrients will not occur. Secretion of saliva will not take place. Secretion of an acid will not take place. And mastication of food will not occur at all. So the purpose of small intestine is absorbing the nutrients into the blood. So when you remove this part, yes, there will be no absorption of nutrients will occur. Right. So option A is the right answer.
Have you understood better? It will be A. Is it clear better, this one?
What, ma'am?
Is this answer clear to you? Is this answer clear to you better? It will be A. Debangshu, can you listen to me? Debangshu, are you there? Tell me, Debangshu, have you understood this one? Debangshu, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Absorption of nutrients will not occur. Secretion of saliva will not take place. Secretion of an acid will not take place. And mastication of food will not occur at all. So the purpose of small intestine is absorbing the nutrients into the blood. So when you remove this part, yes, there will be no absorption of nutrients will occur. Right. So option A is the right answer. Question number 11. Refer to the given Venn diagram and select the option that.
Tell me this one, beta.
Refer to given diagram and select option that correctly. Activity that was global warming that cause acid rain. In addition, wastage into soil, use of pollution gases, petrol and diesel. Ma'am, option B.
Emission of pollutant gases from petrol and diesel vehicles. Let's check.
Correctly identifies X. So in the Venn diagram, the X represents activity that causes global warming and activity that causes acid rain. So now move on to the option, dumping radioactive waste into soil. So what will happen? Yes, it will pollute the soil, so it will cause pollution. hydrogen gas, oxide and nitrogen gas, and mainly sulfur dioxide. Right. So what will cause is obviously these gases will affect the global warming and the main cause for global warming. And one more thing is activity that cause acid rain as a releasing of SO2, the releasing of SO2 into the air will cause the acid rain. Right. So the X must be emission of pollutant gas from petrol and diesel vehicles. So you all know what is the cause for the acid rain? Is a cause for acid rain? Yes, the sulfur dioxides and some nitrogen oxides are released into the air. It will cause the acid rain. So X must be option B. Then what is C? Release of chemical waste into water bodies? Yes. If you release a chemical waste into water bodies, it will create a toxic environment. It will create a toxic environment to the aquatic organisms. Aquatic organisms, right? Then what about the leak of LPG gas from domestic gas cylinder? What will happen if a gases leak is when it get released? We'll get a suffocation because we are breathing that gas, no? So it will cause suffocation. Otherwise, we'll be having some difficulty in walking or speaking, right? So these are the causes. Finally, it's option B is the right answer. Question number 12.
Have you understood better?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me this one.
Select the correct option in the places to which people saw in picture below. Number 1. Ma'am, option B.
Option B.
Ma'am,
That is the first one is Maharashtra, then it is Gujarat, then it is Kashmir, then it is West Bengal. Let's check.
Select the correct option to identify the places to which the people shown in the picture belong. So now, what is this dress name? Yes, this particular figure shows this is dhoti, and the woman is wearing it's Nawari sari, right? Then for the figure 2, yeah, here the man wearing it's a kurta, and the woman wearing it's a chania choli. Chania choli. Then for option 3, they are wearing it's a Peharan traditional dress. Then in option 4, here also they are wearing dhoti and sari. So the Nawari sari is a traditional dress of Maharashtra, and the kurta and chania choli is wear by Gujarat traditional dress, and Peharan is a traditional dress of Kashmir. Dhoti and the sari is the traditional dress of West Bengal. Hence option B is the right answer. Question number 13. How can
Okay, tell me this one better.
yes, ma'am. How can you X, Jews and Y pass for longer period without much replicating than test? Ma'am, peace meaning?
What? Which meaning do you want?
Ma'am, this.
Peace. Peace means Okay, peas means the small green color peas, better. The vegetable that we get in the winter, round shape. It's called green peas. This one.